Thank you so much for joining us today at noon. It's Tuesday. I'm Tracy Townsend. We are starting with a warning from Central Ohio's healthcare workers. They say the Omicron variant is spreading so fast that hospitals are running out of bed space, impacting non-COVID patients who are there at hospitals seeking medical attention. This time last year, Central Ohio hospitals had 1,200 patients with COVID. That was the peak number. Today, that number is at 900 patients and climbing. 10 TV's Kevin Landers is live outside of the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center with more on what the experts want you to know about all of this. Kevin?
Well, good afternoon. The message today, as it has been for the past year, is get vaccinated. Here at Ohio State Wexner Medical Center, they told us today they've tied a record for the most patients admissions since January of 2020 for people with COVID. Now, those on the front lines of the epidemic spoke about how the virus has left them with fewer staff to care for patients and fewer beds for those with non-COVID medical needs. Now, doctors warn that Central Ohio is on the verge of a crisis similar to what's happening right now in Cleveland, where they are seeing 2,800 patients a day in the hospital. The message from frontline workers is take this virus seriously and get the shot.
It's breaking my heart. It's breaking my heart every day going into work and continuing to see people die when I know that it could be prevented.
I have had to hold an iPad and hold a patient's hand while they died so that their family could be with them. I've experienced more death than I ever thought I would in my career.
Now, the Omicron variant is the dominant virus here in Ohio. I asked doctors if we're going to revert back to where we were last year, where we opened up the Columbus Convention Center to help with those overflow of patients. And they said they looked at it, but they said simply they don't have the staff to do it. Reporting live outside the Ohio State Wexner Medical Center, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.